Hello everyone, this is the Wiki project of CS50's web programming with Python and JavaScript. It has some specifications and requirements as always like previous assignments. Let's have a look at them one by one. This is the index page and here are the entry listings with their titles. When we click the links, it brings us the content of the related entry. Let's try it out. Let me click the Django title. As you see, it shows the Markdown formatted content by converting it to HTML. If we try to enter a title that is not exist in our encyclopedia, it shows an error message like this. Let me try C#, and you see the error message. Edit page, in our entry page, let me come to the Python. You see the edit entry link here, and it allows us to change the content of the entry. Let's try something different. In here, let me reduce the title size of Python and save it. You see, it's now in a smaller font size. Then let's check out the create new page function. Let's enter a new entry. For example, let's say again C# and as content I will paste the format here and save. You see our newly added entry shows here, and I click the inside and it shows the content of the entry. And in random page, every time you click the link, it brings a random entry from saved ones like this: CSS, Python, Django, HTML, C#, like this. And finally, in search action, if I try to search CSS, it matches directly with entry that my search query and brings me the content of the CSS entry, as you see. If I type just C and search, it shows the related entry titles matched with search query. And let me try something else. If no matching result found, it shows an empty list as shown like here. Alright, that's all for this project. Thank you for watching and good luck with your projects.